amor. ¿Cómo te saco de aquí? No sé qué me hiciste. ¿Qué tú me hiciste? ¿Cómo te saco de aquí? SMS Show, that's right. We're here with another unboxing episode, and today, got a very special episode for you. That's right. We're going to unbox Reggaeton artist Feid's first shoe, the Salomon Fercho. We're not going to do it yet. You got to stay tuned. All right, here we go. Let's get right to it. If you haven't heard of reggaeton artist Feid, he's huge. He's big in the reggaeton community. He's got songs with Bad Bunny, Young Miko, Karol G, Blessed. Colombian artist. He's a Colombian artist, straight out of Colombia, and his real name is Salomon Villada Hoyos. I didn't know that. I just know him as Feid. He also got a song with Ozuna. That's right. So he dropped his first shoe, and usually, you know, we're unboxing Nikes and Jordans, but I seen these on Instagram, and I was like, yo, these are fire. So let's go and unbox his first shoe, all right? As soon as you open the box, this is what made me want to get them, all right? The lime green Salomons, all right? For a minute there, I was kind of hating on Salomon. I was like, what are Salomons? And it kind of makes sense, right? Because Feid's name is Salomon, and the brand is Salomon, okay? So I did some research and found out that this is a French company, all right? They started like in the 50s or 60s as like a saw blade company making saw blades. And then they transitioned to like ski boots and ski equipment, and only until like 1997 they started making footwear, and then they had a breakthrough. They started making hiking shoes, okay? Now only until about 2016 they started doing collabs and kind of breaking into the popular shoe market, all right? So let's go ahead and take a look at this dope shoe. Again, I was kind of hating on Salomon. I never heard of this brand, but it looks like it didn't get to start popping until 2016, which seemed like it was yesterday, but that was like 9 years ago, going on 10. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. You don't even have to tie them. It has like this kind of slide thing. You just slide them on. Check that out. What do you think of these shoes? I think they're sold out. Shout out to Nice Kicks for lacing us with these gems. I bought the last pair, and they only retailed at $139, $151 after tax here in California. What do you think of artist Feid? What's your favorite song? ¿Cuál es tu canción favorito de Feid? Fercho, he also goes by Fercho, de Colombia. So they're kind of like a walking, hiking trail shoe. I kind of wonder, like, what am I gonna wear with these? I think you can wear them with like blue jeans. I'm gonna probably rock them with some black camos, but they're definitely, you know, hot. That's a hot shoe. You see they got like the sun and the moon here. And there you have it. We just unboxed the XXT Salomon Pathway 2, basically Feid, reggaeton artist shoe. Post in the comments, what do you think of this shoe? I thought it was dope. So dope that I had to get it. Shout out to Nice Kicks, you know what I mean? Shout out to the homie that kind of put me on with the Salomon. All right, they look like good shoes. Good quality. I can't wait to rock these. You know what I mean? Stay fresh, because the drip will be televised. You know what I'm saying? ¿Qué opinas de estos zapatos? Avísanos. Un saludo a todos mis fans de Latinoamérica, México, Colombia, España. Subscribe to the channel. Suscríbete. We got 50,000 subscribers worldwide. Thank you guys. And we'll catch you on the next one. Hello.